Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to embed PDF and Excel style sheets into your WordPress pages and posts by the way of a plugin called Embed Any Document. On the LakeKit sites, we already have the plugin installed, and it's installed globally, so everybody has it. So it doesn't show up in your plugins list, but you have access to it natively. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into the site. So make sure that the black bar is at the top. You've got, you know that you're logged in when you can see the welcome and then your username. And if you hover, then you'll get the log out. If not, scroll to the bottom, log into your account. And once you've got that black bar at the top, then you can move forward. Once you've got that, what we want to do is I'm going to be adding it to my records page. So I navigate to the page where I want that information to be. So I'm navigating the records. I'm going to be adding it to this page. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on Edit with Elementor. Actually, not Edit with Elementor. I'm going to do Edit Page. This plugin has an issue with Elementor. So the workaround is to edit with WordPress first. So we're going to go back to Edit, or click the Back to WordPress Editor button. If you get that, when you first click back into the Edit with Edit with WordPress, the icons look all gibberishy. Just scroll up and down, and you'll fix that. Click the Add Document. You click Upload the document. It's already in my media library, so I know what I want to do. So I'm going to add in the test, or my file test. Click Select. And then what I'm going to do is, well, actually, let me walk you through this. The options that you have here is to set the width and the height, who you show the download button to, all users, logged in users, or you can set it to no download. What the download text is going to read. Is it going to be download? Is it file? Whatever you want to put. And then what viewer your user can use. Is it going to be Microsoft Office online, or is it going to be Google Docs viewer? Both are free. Both work with the website. It's just an aspect of which one you're going to be using. And there is a difference between the two. For the first one, I'm going to use the Google Doc viewer. I copy the code. I don't click insert. I just click out of it. I just need that code that was creating for me. And then I'm going to go to Edit with Elementor. Once here, I'm actually going to get rid of this box here. So to delete anything, you go to where you get a blue box, right click and delete. So if I wanted to just delete this information right here, I can go to this blue box, right click, delete, or I could go to this container which holds all the information, right click and delete that. But I want to keep this area here. I'm going to create a header, and this is okay, and then I want to, the next box that the next kind of box that I need is a shortcode box, because that code that was produced is what's called shortcode. That's when it has brackets at the end of each segment. So, and by adding that text, voila, I've got my pretty little view of the file that I want to show everybody. People can read the file, people can look at it and decide if they want to download it or not, but it's an instant graphical representation of the information that you're going to be sharing with them. I'm going to click update so that I can commit this, come over here to my second tab and make sure that it took and it's looking good. Looking good, it works. One of the things that I like is the fact that you've got the zoom buttons so that you can actually, make the text more readable. But it's a quick and easy way to make it so that people get information visibly, attractively given to them quickly. So I'm going to show you, I want to do two more insertions, and I'm going to show you what the Microsoft Viewer version of this is. Okay, so let me back up. Okay, back to edit with WordPress. So we're going to add the doc. The same document. This time we're going to use the Microsoft Office. And then I'm going to edit with Elementor. I'm going to right click on this box and click duplicate. And the same thing with the box above it. Then I'm going to drag this one below. Okay, so and then we want to edit the code in this one. When you're using the Microsoft Viewer, you really get the full WordPress, or not WordPress, but Microsoft Excel document. So you get the whole folder. I mean, if you've got more than one sheet, you're going to get it down here. And it's really a representation of the full Microsoft doc that you've created. All right. So let's apply that. Then update that. And then I'm going to back up. And the last one that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what a PDF looks like when it's put in here. And I'll be honest, it's the main reason why I like this is having people be having access to a PDF that looks good and is usable and readable on your website. Then edit. All right, so we're going to do that duplicate trick that I did before. Okay, come on. This is click on that little box. So this is what a PDF will look like on the page. So it is extremely readable. It's accessible to your users. Your document is going to be, available to them to read right from the PDF that you created. And it's not just PDFs, but Word documents, PowerPoints. You can do all different kinds, a bunch of different kinds of file formats in this exact same way. Thank you for listening to this rather lengthy tutorial, and hopefully this will help you present your documents and your information in a different way on your website.